Welcome to our podcast. We invite you to join us on this journey of discovery and learning. If you love exploring the world of mathematics and want to understand even the simplest concepts like even and odd numbers, you're in the right place. Subscribe to our channel for engaging educational content that sparks curiosity and fosters a love for learning in mathematics. Have you ever thought about how numbers are classified? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of even and odd numbers. It's interesting to note that ancient civilizations once considered these numbers to have mystical meanings. But what exactly are even and odd numbers? Let's break it down. An even number is one that can be divided by 2 without a remainder. This means that if you take any even number, whether it's 2, 4, 6, or 10, and divide it by 2, you'll get another whole number. One way to easily recognize even numbers is by looking at their last digit. If a number ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, it's even. Pretty simple, right? Now, let's talk about odd numbers. Odd numbers are just the opposite. They cannot be divided evenly by 2. As a result, they will always leave a remainder of 1 when you do. If a number ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, then it's odd. So, for every number we encounter, checking the last digit can quickly tell us if it's even or odd. Now, let's explore some patterns that emerge with these numbers. When we add two even numbers together, we always get another even number. For example, if you add 2 and 4, you get 6. All even. Similarly, when you add two odd numbers together, you also get an even number. Take 3 plus 5 for instance. That equals 8, which is even. However, if you add an even number to an odd number, the result will always be odd. For example, 6 plus 1 equals 7, and that's odd. Then we have multiplication. The rules are similar here as well. Anytime you multiply two even numbers together, you will get an even number. And if you multiply two odd numbers, you also get an odd number. However, multiplying an even number by an odd number will always result in an even number. This predictability in how even and odd numbers interact allows mathematicians to solve problems more effectively. Now let's talk about a number that sometimes confuses people: 0. Is 0 even or odd? Surprise! 0 is actually an even number. It can be divided evenly by 2, resulting in 0, which is a whole number. 0 plays a special role in mathematics, serving as the foundation for numerous concepts, such as the idea of nothingness or absence. But as we consider numbers in our everyday lives, we can find even and odd numbers all around us. Think about your street address or sports jersey numbers. They showcase how often we encounter these classifications in our daily routines. If we look at calendars, we see regular patterns of even and odd days. All of these examples show us that understanding even and odd numbers is more than a mathematical skill, it's a way to better navigate the world around us. The significance of even and odd numbers dates back thousands of years. The ancient Greeks, Chinese, and Pythagoreans had their own philosophies regarding numbers, where they attributed special properties to even and odd numbers. They even engaged in discussions about how these numbers could affect balance and order in various aspects of life. For instance, the Greeks believed even numbers symbolized harmony and balance, while odd numbers symbolized chaos and imbalance. By learning how to categorize numbers this way, we build a strong foundation for mathematical skills that will serve us well as we delve into more advanced topics. Learning about even and odd numbers is not just about numbers themselves, it's about understanding a critical aspect of mathematics that will enhance our problem-solving capabilities. To sum it all up, we explored the fascinating realm of even and odd numbers today. We learned that even numbers can be divided evenly by 2 and end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, while odd numbers leave a remainder of 1 and end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. By looking at the last digit of a number, we can quickly identify if it's even or odd. We also discovered the patterns that arise when adding and multiplying these numbers, reinforced our understanding of 0 being an even number, and saw how even and odd numbers play a role in our everyday lives. It's an essential building block in mathematics, leading to a greater understanding of the world. Thank you for tuning in today. We hope you enjoyed our deep dive into the world of even and odd numbers and found it valuable for your learning journey. Remember, these concepts are the building blocks of mathematics and can help unlock many exciting future explorations. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our podcast for more engaging lessons that inspire wonder and build confidence in math. See you next time.